Studying for exams can feel stressful. Long chapters, difficult questions, and endless notes make learning harder. Meet StudyBuddy AI, your personal AI-powered study companion. Ask any question and get clear explanations instantly.
This concept connects to the previous one through a simple relationship.
Turn long chapters into simple revision notes. Create flashcards to memorize faster.
Excellent choice. Now see how it connects.
That's correct. You're making excellent progress.
Practice MCQs and build exam confidence. Study smarter, revise better, and learn faster with StudyBuddy AI. Download StudyBuddy AI today on Google Play.